Advanced Guide to Afterpay Autopay Setup. To get started with Afterpay Autopay Setup, you need to understand the basics of the service and how it works. Afterpay is a payment platform that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments, with the option to set up automatic payments. The first step in setting up Autopay is to create an Afterpay account and link a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. This can be done through the Afterpay website or mobile app. Once your account is set up, you can browse and purchase from participating retailers, either online or in-store. When you make a purchase, you will be prompted to set up a payment schedule, which typically consists of 4 installments, due every 2 weeks. You can choose to set up Autopay at this stage, which will automatically deduct the payment amount from your linked payment method on the due date. To set up Autopay, log into your Afterpay account and navigate to the Payments section. From here, you can select the payment method you want to use for Autopay and confirm the payment schedule. You can also choose to receive reminders and notifications when payments are due. It is essential to ensure that your linked payment method has sufficient funds to cover the payment amount on the due date. If a payment is missed, you may be charged a late fee, and your account may be suspended. To avoid this, make sure to monitor your account regularly and update your payment method if necessary. Best practices for using Afterpay Autopay include regularly reviewing your payment schedule and ensuring that your linked payment method is up to date. You should also be aware of any changes to the payment terms and conditions, such as changes to the interest rate or fees. In conclusion, setting up Afterpay Autopay is a straightforward process that can help you manage your payments and avoid late fees. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your payments are made on time and that you get the most out of the Afterpay service.